In today's episode, we are taking a pantry staple and making it taste homemade. Cooking with Cassie and Family. For the highlighted comments of the week. Thank you for all your love and support. Today's special recipe is sardines in tomato sauce. Fancy ingredients, no long prep, just a quick and simple recipe. Here's what you'll need. Starting off with an onion. Any onion will do. We'll need a sweet bell pepper paired with a spicy chili pepper. Skip if you don't like spice. We will be mincing in some delicious garlic cloves. Finally, you'll want to use some seasoning salt. Just use whatever you have at home. And here's the star of the show. Today I'll be using King Oscar's sardines with bell pepper and olives. And that's it. My favorite part, prep all of our ingredients. Today I'll be slicing up some yellow onions. I find that yellow onions pair very well with sardines. I also had a purple onion. For this dish, you'll want to use a spicy onion. Yellow or purple onion will be best. Next, I'm going to thinly slice my spicy peppers. Same concept as the onion. Sardines have a very unique taste. Using a variety of peppers and onions will make these sardines taste like your grandma made them. Leave in some of the seeds from your hot chili pepper for the perfect amount of spice. The more seeds, the spicier it'll be. Cutting up some bell peppers. Sweet bell peppers will aid with fully balancing all of the spicy components to this dish. Even if you don't add chili pepper, the purple or yellow onion also has a spiciness to them. So this bell pepper will offset the spice to create the perfect balance of a mild sweetness. Plus, it complements very well with the tomato sauce. If you've made it this far into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Bringing you new recipes are made possible with your support. Thank you. Once you have all of your ingredients chopped up and ready to go, just set them to the side for later. Pro tip, sprinkle some salt on your vegetables. While we prep the other ingredients, salt will bring out all of the nice flavor out of your peppers, onions, and garlic. A little trick I learned from my mom. Here we go. Let's pop this baby open. Canned food never gets the love they deserve. But trust me, after you make this recipe, you'll never look at sardines the same again. I eat these on rotation. They have become one of my staple foods. They truly are just that good. Not only do they taste amazing when prepared properly, never eat your sardines straight out of the can, please. In some countries, this is a beauty secret. They don't call sardines a superfood for no reason. 50 health benefits to eating sardines. Perfect for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Now that you're on the secret, next step is to saute our vegetables. Before grabbing them from their hibernation, we're going to take the olive oil that the sardines were sitting in, add that to the pan. If you are using the sardines sitting in water, you'll want to use a small amount of oil or butter to saute your vegetables. But for my recipe, I like to get the sardines sitting in olive oil. One less ingredient I need to use. So I'll simply add the oil to the pan in preparation for sauteing my vegetables. This oil is already flavored and there's nothing else I need to do. Don't you just love quick and easy recipes? Yes, we are making our life easier, not harder. From here, you'll want to grab your sleepy vegetables and we're going to add them to the pan. We'll only start by using half of all of the vegetables. Include onions, sweet bell peppers, your preference of hot chili pepper, or any other spicy pepper, some minced garlic. Only add half to saute first. Set the other half to the side. Once you've sauteed half of your vegetables, they should look like this. Now that your sauteed vegetables are well combined, coated in that beautiful olive oil, you're going to grab your canned sardines and add that to the pan. This step, you'll want to add all of the sardines into the pan. Your sardines will be tightly packed in there together, so just go ahead and separate them with a fork. Before moving on, you should know that sardines in a can are very soft and tender. Therefore, once we add the liquid to make the sauce, most of the fish will fall off the bone. So if you want to keep some of the fish whole, just saute them lightly with the peppers. After, set them aside, then assemble your sauce. But for this recipe, I'm going to keep the sardines with the sauce, as I really don't mind if the fish and sauce become one. I don't really care for the large pieces of fish. It really makes no difference to me. Either way, it doesn't make a difference. If you follow these steps, the sauce tastes the same. For sauteed sardines, add a little bit of water. For one can, half a cup, water will be just fine. It is important to once again combine all of your components. Anything you add to your pan, be sure to combine it. Also, in this step, I did add the tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste goes in the pan as well. Everything is coming together perfectly. Add this mixture back on the stove, low heat. Again, use low heat. Sardines are already prepped and ready to eat. Step is just to cook the sauce. That's it. Keeping the heat low, guarantee that your sauce does not dry up. Last step is to add the remaining vegetables. Grab your peppers, onions, and garlic. Add this to the sauce. Now you've unlocked the secret technique. Adding these raw vegetables at the end. Once your your sauce is already combined, completely annihilate any fishy taste that the sardines might have had. Trick my kids with this step every single time. They don't even know that they're eating sardines. This secret step will make sure that your sauce tastes divine. No one will ever know. And that's a job done. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about pantry foods and making them taste homemade. As always, I thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.